Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Cruises and Casinos. We are on Carnival Magic, and we will just move to cabin 1341, which is on deck one. It's an ocean view, and I'm going to stand with my back to the door to show the size of the cabin and the layout. It's larger than the previous cabin we were in, which is 6366 on deck 6. That one was an interior. What we did not know is that cabin was right above Vibes nightclub. And last night it sounded like the drummer from the the entire nightclub was in our cabin. Anyhow, so this is 1341 on deck 6, an ocean view. So we have the two nightstands with the lamps. This cabin has a sofa and a little coffee table. The cabinet area is much larger than the other cabin. Same size television, a lighted mirror, and an extra mirror on this side because the cabinet is quite larger in size. And here we have a storage area. It seems like the door was ripped out. And this is where the safe is in here, and there's an extra storage area beneath the safe. We have a little stool here, and the little refrigerator is over here. And it's the same 4 drawers as the other cabin. And there's just two 120 extensions here, so we'll have to put in an adapter on that. And we have 4 closets in this cabin. The other one had 3. I think it's about the same layout. Shelves. And this door also has a full-length mirror. And these are basically the same closets as the other one. These are our suitcases. We just moved over here. We haven't unpacked yet. And this is the closet that has the life vest. You can see the ocean view. It's like deck 1, so the ocean seems to be a lot closer. And this is the cabin layout standing from the ocean view window. This is a connecting door to the other cabin. The stateroom attendant told us there are neighbors, but the door is locked from both sides. And what is interesting about this cabin, unlike any other cabins that we've been in on any ship, is there are 2 bathrooms. This is the regular bathroom, just like the other one on deck 6. Same exact layout. Same sink. Same mirror. And this one is another bathroom. It does not have a toilet, but it has a bathtub. pretty large bathtub. And there's a couple of shelves and the magnifying mirror. So it's a definite upgrade, but we were actually very happy where we were with that cabin 6366. It's just that last night was a whole other story. Okay, well, this is Cruises and Casinos on Carnival Magic, showing you the Ocean View cabin on deck 1, cabin number 1341. I hope I'm getting that number right. And thank you all for watching.